All right, so I am going to show you how to do assignment 1 in PyCharm. So if you want to open PyCharm on your computer right now, you can take care of assignment 1 while we sit here in class in person. So the PyCharm interface, and when you open it, it'll probably ask you if you want to create a project. Just create a project. It doesn't matter where you save it because everything you do on these school computers is going to go away the minute they restart. They reset themselves back to 0. So don't ever think you're saving something on the computer there. But what you want to get to is a screen that looks roughly like this. I try to magnify everything on my screen as much as possible, but unfortunately the sidebar here I cannot magnify. The code you should be able to read though. So what you have over on this left-hand side on your screen will look different than mine because on mine I've got all kinds of crap from other semesters and things like that in folders. But if you click on this uppermost folder, the project folder, right-click on it, and you choose New Python File. Okay, so you're going to right-click on that top folder on the left-hand side and choose New Python File. What's that? Up here on this, right here on the right-click on that top folder, New Python File. And then it's going to come up with this little tiny window here. It says New Python File. And you're going to call it a1.py. Just like that. a1.py. And it will open up in your code editor. I'm going to give you just a second here to catch up with me. Please feel free to help each other out. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so just click Create. There you go. Now right click on that. Okay, right now New Python File. You're welcome. a1.py is what you call that one. We all together pretty much.
I'm trying to sign in.
Oh, you're trying to sign in. Okay. Okay, right click up here on this. And New. Right up here. New. And then Python File.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. You ready for this? Serious coding happening. Don't go to ChatGPT. It's okay. Ready for this? We're going to type print with parentheses, just like that, all lowercase. It's magical. All right, and then inside the parentheses, you're going to put double quotes, just like that. You're going to get so good at naming punctuation in this class. You're going to learn all the proper names for punctuation, which is something I know. It's like a dream.
Finally got it.
Finally got in.
So where do I go?
Okay. Thank you, sir. All right. You ready for the last part? Inside the quotes, you're going to say, hello, world, just like that. So what I've told the computer, what I've told Python that we're going to do here is we're going to print something to the screen, the command line. And what I told it that we're going to print is called a string. How do I know it's a string? Because it's got double quotes around it. A string, also known as a string literal, is a sequence of characters that is exactly that sequence. Now, I see words. I see hello world up there, which means something to me, right? In English. It doesn't mean anything to the computer. It is capital H, lowercase e, lowercase l, just a sequence of characters. Doesn't matter what it is. But since I told it to print exactly that sequence of characters to the screen, that's what it's going to do. So now to run this, I can come up here to the menu, and down this little drop-down menu, I can choose current file, and then I can hit the run button. Or the other way to do this, the way that I sometimes prefer, is I can right-click on the screen, and I can choose Run A1 from the menu that pops up. Okay? I'll help you in just a minute. Okay, so when I run that, what I get is a few things. Now, down in this bottom part of this screen, this is the results panel, or the run panel. This shows me the results of my program. Okay? The first thing it says to me is, where is this script? What is it that I'm running? This is the address on my computer of this program, the Hello World program that I just wrote. Next, we have the results. It prints that exact string to the screen. And then finally, it says process finished with exit code 0. All that means is that the program finished running and there were no errors. Okay? That's all it means. So now, congratulations, you're a computer programmer. You've written your first computer program. Yay. Well done, well done. Okay, now, that's good. You're very self-confident there, applauding yourself. This is, you all played AYSO soccer and got a trophy, didn't you? Okay, I know I did. 13 years and absolutely no soccer skills whatsoever. All right, so now, the second part of this is turning it in. So you wrote a program, now we want to turn it in.